Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, mag-review na tayo guys sa NLC, stands for National Learning Camp. So, yung background niya guys. So, matatag, bansang makabata, batang makabansa. So, yun yung mga meaning guys. Kaya matatag. Ito yung guys, National Large Scale Assessment Results. Mababa tayo sa mathematics at English. Also Filipino guys. So teachers play a vital role in learning recovery. And the purpose is twofold. So improve learner outcomes, then strengthen teacher competence to teach better. So hindi lang sa bata, kundi sa teacher din. We have scope to be implemented in all public elementary and secondary schools nationwide. For kindergarten to grade 12 with phased implementation starting last year. So ngayon na year 2024. So grade 1 to 3 para sa elementary guys. Meron din. The NLC is encouraged to be adopted in private schools. So yan yung mga sa public schools. Then definition of terms. So ito ang meaning ng NLC, National Learning Camp. Voluntary po ito guys. Then designed to improve student learning and enhance teacher capacity. So for the teacher and learner siya guys. Enhancement camp meaning this is voluntary learning program designed to enrich learning for advanced learners by providing greater depth, breadth, and complexity of learning area competencies. So mga magaling na sila guys. Consolidation Camp, voluntary learning program designed to provide further practice and application of grade level learning competencies. So may alam na sila, kinakailangan lang na practice. Ito, Intervention Camp, voluntary learning program designed to support learners who are yet to grasp fundamental literacy and or numeracy skills such as reading, writing, and or arithmetic. So, sila yung mga bata na kinakailangan talaga na turuan para matuto sa fundamental, mga basic pa guys, kasi nahihirapan sila sa pagkatuto. So, remedial class is a voluntary learning program for learners who did not meet expectations in terms of attaining the learning competencies required of a particular learning area. So, policy statement. The DepEd is committed to learning recovery. So, quality learning is contingent upon quality teaching. So, pag magaling yung teacher, syempre natututo rin yung mga bata. So, the DepEd recognizes that learners need to be supported to address the learning loss. So, DepEd is committed to supporting teachers and taking cognizance of unequivocal evidence that good teachers are vital to raising student achievement. Okay. So, aims of National Learning Camp. So, ito yun guys. So, learners experience success and sustain learning motivation and engagement. Teachers experience support to improve their professional practice through collaborative expertise and job embedded learning or JEL. So, guidelines. Okay. So, this time, so start from July 1 to 19, 3 weeks siya guys. So, yan. Adapts phase implementation. Ito yung learning focus natin. Enhancement, consolidation, intervention. Okay guys, thanks for watching.